What's going on, guys? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, it is day number 3. We just got here on site. I was way too tired yesterday at the end of day 2 to actually record anything. We are here. This thing has been filling, as you can see. This thing has been filling behind me all night. Our seam held. Yes! Doesn't matter if you seam thousands and thousands of feet, every single foot, and every single time you seam a piece of liner or fix a hole or a tear or something like that, you are always nervous. It just goes along with it. We did a fantastic job yesterday. We got everything graveled in. We are leaving this area. This is where our intake's going to be right here. And then we got that area right there. That's where our wetland filter is going to be coming into the pond. So we go ahead and flip this thing around and actually give you guys a good look at it. Intake system is going to be here somewhere, so we went ahead and left this open. Right here is actually where our waterfalls are going to be. This is our waterfall area. Our wetland system is actually going to be going right over here where the 50D is sitting, so we left that open. We had a couple of little spots that we got to fill in real quick, but you know, we're not going to need the excavator. We're just going to need some big strong guys, which they're all standing right over there. But yeah, we've been filling all night, and this thing is about 75–80% full of water, and we're going to be good to go. This thing is rocking. So, day number 3, we're going to get at it. Guys are already moving. Really sore, but it is well worth the effort. My guys just laughed at me. Lots of Aleve. That's the key to this. That's
pain happens. Aleve it.
Pro tip right there. Lots of Aleve. So we're gonna get going, and hopefully we can get this thing finished up in the next couple days. See ya. Hey, what's going on, guys? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, hey, we have a new guy with us. Say hi, Sean. Hi. Well, Sean has not been initiated into the pond builders group yet, and we are about to do that. And Mr. Ed Ballou, the pond professor, knows how this goes. We have here, well, let me get it in camera. We have here a little grub. And everybody knows that before you are initiated into the pond builders world, you have to eat said grub. I happened to just find one while we were digging, and it is now Sean's turn to be initiated. Now, what you want to do with that, Sean, and Ed will tell you, is you want to put that thing, first you can pop the head off. You want to put it right there on your molars, and then you just crunch down. That's how it works. Tastes like chicken, don't it? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we officially have a new pond builder in the world, and his name is Sean. That is awesome. Ed Ballou, I really hope you enjoyed that video, because that was all for you, buddy. Well, hey, it is the end of day 5. We are on our last day here up in Charlevoix, Michigan, helping out Dave Austin with Water Paw, and we have gotten as far as we possibly can. We've got intake in, we got waterfalls set. The only thing left is to finish the top, very top 2-inch layer of the wetland filter, so that way then we can connect from the wetland into the pond, have that whole thing, all that waterfall and all that kind of stuff. Dave's gonna finish that up tomorrow, and just burying some pipes and stuff like that. My guys did a great job. We got this whole pond rocked in a day and a half, and wetland filter took 2 days. We had a couple issues that we had to work through, but not a big deal, you know, because we're awesome master CACs. and it's what we do. We figure out problems. Dave's gone ahead and he's built all of the waterfalls on this thing. It's actually pretty incredible the way that he builds. So I'm really lucky and privileged to kind of work alongside of him and kind of learn what he does and kind of take a little bit from him, and so that way I can bring it back home to Indiana and, you know, use that. So let me go ahead and flip you guys around and kind of show you our progress. So we got a waterfall starting right here. It goes down there into the pond. We have our wet well intake system right here. We got our 2 vaults. We got 3 lines. We got 1 line going up this way. We got another line going over to the wetland filter that's over there. Another line going over to the 2 spillways that start over there. Obviously, we got our pond itself, our recreational pond, right there. That is the throne. So that is the seat right there. So that way they can kind of sit in here and relax. We got a step stone. We got another step stone here. We got a walkout stone. We got some stepping stones right here. So that way you can kind of boom, boom, and right there. That's the deep end right there. So that way somebody can just kind of jump in right off of that. We got a waterfall right there that winds up that way. So it starts off that way because the drive's over there. People driving in. That's the first thing that they're going to see is that waterfall right there. We got another waterfall right here in front of me. That's the start of the spillway right there. Big drop coming right here into that. Over here, we got our wetland filter. The boards in the back, keeping the rock away from the vault. We got an extension, but it hadn't come in yet. So we got to keep rocks away from that so we can add that. But basically, that pile's just got to get flattened out. We got a seam liner right here on the stream, and then we got 2 waterfalls. We are actually at waterline right now. This is waterline right here. So gonna have some great action coming off the wetland filter right here. Great action coming off the streams right here, and you know, a nice front porch waterfall right there into the intake. So guys did a great job here. Really proud of them, even though I had to babysit and yell at them every 5 seconds, not to, you know, stand there with their hands in their pocket. Shut up! So that's everything here. That's everything here, guys, at Aquascapes in Michiana, up here in Charlevoix, Michigan, helping out Dave Austin with Water Paw. So see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.
Shout out to Pringles.
Hey guys, what's going on? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes in Michiana. Well, we are done here in Boyne City and Charlevoix, Michigan. And behind me is the house that we actually stayed at. Really nice house, really nice people. They did a fantastic job. House was great. Everything was comfortable. I have not slept this well in a long time. I don't know if it was because we did so much hard work that I just came home and passed out, or if it was the fact that we had some really comfy beds there. But we are traveling back to Indiana, guys. We are all done. Thank you, David Austin, for having us out here. Thank you, Paul Ply. Thank you, Rowan Bixler and Mike Muskins, for sending your guys up there. They were a pleasure to work with. Everybody worked really hard, and even though we couldn't get it running, I mean, David Austin's gonna go ahead and get it running. I mean, we are that close from finish, but we are out of time here. Stay tuned, guys. Still more to come. Bye.